Today's my topic is about packages in Java. My name is T.Bala Snehitha. My registration number is YK19CS1222. First program package 1. Import Java until scanner public class shape protective double length double breadth protective void shape double length double breadth. This length equal to this breadth equal to breadth void display area system dot output in area is package to import package 1 dot shape public class rectangular extension shape double length breadth area public object display area public rectangular double length double breadth this length equal to length this breadth equal to breadth public void area equal to length into breadth system dot output dot print area public void display area system dot output dot print in area of triangle package to import 1 dot shape public class square extension shape double length area public object display area public shape double length this length is length equal to length public object void area equal to length into length system dot output dot area public void display area system dot output dot print in area of triangle package 3 import package dot shape public class circle extension shape double length area public object display area public circle double length this dot length equal to length public void area equal to 3.14 into length system dot output dot area public void display area system dot out dot print in area of circle package 3 import package 1 dot shape public class triangular extension shape double length breadth area public object display area public triangle void double length double breadth this length equal to length this dot breadth equal to breadth public void area equal to 0.5 into length into breadth system dot output dot print in area public void display area system dot output dot area of triangle package 4 import package 1 dot shape import package 2 import package 3 import java until scanner public class test public static void main string double length breadth scan is equal to new scanner system in system dot where we have to give system in as name Bala Snehitha Reddy registration number YK19 CS K19CS 1222 length enter the length equal to s dot next double system dot output dot print enter the breadth equal to s dot next double square a equal to new square length rectangle r equal to new rectangle length breadth triangle equal to new triangle length breadth circle equal to new circle length a dot display area a area r display area r area t display area t area c display area c display area. Now I'm going to run my program where I'm giving length as 3 breadth as 4 and I got my area of circle, I got my area of triangle, area of square, area of triangle, area of rectangle, area of circle. By this I completed one program. My next program package store import java until scanner public class book public string title string author public int quality int price int id public void add book string au int bp int dq int idv title bt author bu price bp quality bq id bib public void view book print book title is to plus title book author is to plus author book price plus price book quality plus quality book id plus id next public void borrow book system dot output.println, enter the total number of books which you want to borrow. Scan s equal to new scan s system in int cnt equal to s dot next quality equal to quality minus cnt. Next, public void search system dot output dot println, where we have to give book is available in my library, title is 2 plus title, author is 2 plus author, book id is 2 plus id, quality is 2 plus quality, price is 2 price. Next, package user import store book, public class admin extend book, public void add book, book b, string n, string a, int p, int q, int b word, b dot add book, n a p q word, system dot output print in book has been added successfully, public void view book b, b dot view book, system dot print in you have viewed the book. Next, user Java, package user import store book, public class user extension book, int number of books equal to 10, public void search book, book b dot search book, public void borrow book, book b dot borrow book, system dot output print in book has been borrowed, public void view book b view book. Next, package app, import Java until scanner, import store book, import user, public class main, public static void main string arrays, scan s equal to new scanner system in book object equal to new book 100, admin object equal to new admin, user is equal to new user, int option admin choice user choice, string btau, int bp bq bit bib, int b count equal to 0, boolean count equal to true, while constant, system dot print in select the choice 1 admin, 2 user, next 3 exit, option is equals to s into next. If option equal to 1, system dot output dot print welcome to admin page, next 1 add book, b view, enter your choice, admin choice equal to s next in switch admin, case 1, where we have to give system input as enter the title of book, next again enter the author of the book, next enter the book id, next enter the number of book quality, next enter the book price, then bs equal to s dot next int book object b count equal to new book, admin object dot add book, book object b count bt au bt bq id, b count plus equal to 1, case 2 break, for int I equal to 0, I less than b, I plus plus, admin dot object underscore view book object and default system dot the book is available, break, case 3, for int I equal to 0, I less than b count, I plus plus, user object view book object break, else false constant. I am going to run the code. First enter the choose your option 1, next again choose your option again 1, next time book name Jerry, next enter the author name Jane, Next, enter the book ID 1, 2, 3. Next, enter the number of books 2. Enter the book price 200. Next, again choose 1. Add book. Next, choose 2. Next, again select option 2. Then again select 1. Enter the title of book you want as Jerry. Total how many you want to borrow? 1. Next, again 2. Next, select your choice 2. Enter the name Jerry. Then again enter your choice 2. Again 2. Select 2. Next 3. Select your choice 3. By this, I completed my program successfully.